Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we next to the slide, I will presentation about myself. My name is Werlisana Marina Hampun from Magister Management Academic. Now I will presentation about seminar proposal, the impact of reward, punishment, and organization culture on employee performance with work discipline as an intervening variable at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Supervisor 1, Professor Dr. Kori Yohana MM, and Professor 2, Professor Dr. Ardi Cucir Sariwulan MSI. Next, Chapter 1 about Introduction. Background, improving employee performance is one of the main objectives in effective human research management. Reward and punishment are often used as managerial tools to encourage employees to achieve set target, while a strong organization culture is believed to create a work environment that supports productivity. However, the impact of this factor on employee performance can vary depending on the level of work discipline possessed by employee. PT Dat Hospital Indonesia, which is a type of health business, has been operating since 10 January 2008. PT Dat Hospital Indonesia always deals directly with patients. This is where qualified and professional human research are needed in their field. In 2024, this company has a target of achieving the number of patients that has not been achieved. This is due to the absence of reward, the high number of punishment, low organization culture, and employee work discipline. The employee attendance rate from January to December 2024 is of particular concern and tend to be pure. According to Flippo 2002, if the percentage of the absent rate is 0% to 2%, that it's still good. But if 3% to 10%, then the absent is high. When viewed from table 1.2, the average employee attendance rate of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia reached 4%, meaning that employees are not yet disciplined in work. So next, from the table above, it can be seen that there are still many employees who receive punishment, even reached to 26.54% of the total number of employees. Next, about problem formulation. There are 10 problem formulation. They are: 1, there's a direct influence of reward on employee performance at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia employees. 2, there's a direct influence of punishment on employee performance at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia employees. 3, there's a direct influence of organization culture on employee performance at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. 4, there's a direct influence of work discipline on employee performance. 5, there's a direct influence of reward on work discipline among employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. 6, there's a direct influence of punishment on work discipline among employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. 7, there's a direct influence of organization culture on work discipline among employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. 8, there's an indirect influence of a reward on employee performance to work discipline on employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. 9, there's an indirect influence of punishment on employee performance, so work discipline on employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. And the last, number 10, there's an indirect influence of organization culture on employee performance, so work discipline on employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Now about the research objective. There are 10 research objectives. They are: 1, to determine and analyze the influence of reward on employee performance at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Number 2, to determine and analyze the effect of punishment on employee performance at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Number 3, to determine and analyze the influence of organization culture on employee performance at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Number 4, to determine and analyze the influence of the work discipline on employees' performance at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Number 5, to determine and analyze the influence of reward on work discipline of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Number 6, to determine and analyze the effect of punishment on work discipline on employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Number 7, to determine and analyze the influence of organization culture on work discipline among employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Number 8, to determine and analyze the influence of reward on employee performance, the work discipline on employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Number 9, to determine and analyze the effect of punishment on employee performance, the work discipline on employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. And the last, number 10, to determine and analyze the influence of organization culture on employee performance, the work discipline on employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Next, about research benefit. There are two research benefits. There are one theoretical benefit. It is expected to provide a new understanding of employee performance that can help broaden knowledge in the field of human research management. And number 2, about practical benefits. It is hoped that it can be used as a reference by policymakers to formulate more effective and evidence-based policies in the field of HR. The next chapter, number 2, about theoretical review. Literature review, there are 5. Number 1, employee performance. FND 2021, performance is a result that will be achieved in carrying out tasks that have been done. With this, the responsibility of a worker in carrying out the tasks that have been done can be seen, with 5 indicators put forward by Mattis and Jackson in J. Kurnia et al. 2022, namely 1. Quality, 2. Quantity, 3. Accuracy, 4. Attendance, and 5. Ability to work. Number 2, about reward. Reward are a form of additional appreciation from the company in addition to wage, salary, and incentive to appreciate the performance of its employees. Frimayasa, Windayanti, Fatiani, Rahmat, and Febrian 2021. With 5 indicators put forward by Kadarisman in Karirinisa, Habibi, and Pamungkas 2022, namely 1. Wage, number 2, incentive, number 3, allowance, number 4, promotion, and number 5, privilege. Third, about punishment. Punishment is a punishment imposed on employee for action or behavior that are not in accordance with applicable regulation. Hadi and Putu 2023, with 2 indicators put forward by Marlina et al. 2021, namely, first, about preventive, and 2, repressive. Now, number 4, about organization culture. According to Purba and Sudibjo 2020, organization culture reflect the characteristic and traits that are felt to exist in the work environments, which are due to organization activities, which are carried out intentionally or unintentionally, and are considered to influence the behavior and personality of the organization. With 5 indicators put forward, Triwandani and Wahyuni 2022. Namely, 1. Innovative by considering risk. Number 2. Paying attention to every problem. Number 3. Result-oriented. Number 4. Oriented to the interest of all employees. And number 5. Aggressive at work. At last, about work discipline. According to FMD et al. 2020, work discipline is the behavior of individuals who comply with the regulation and policies set by the organization, with 4 indicators put forward Cikurnia et al. 2022, namely 1. About punctuality, 2. Utilization of facilities. Number 3, high responsibility. Number 4, compliance with company regulation. Next, we can look about research framework. Hypothesis formulation. In this hypothesis, there are 10. Hypothesis 1 about reward have a direct positive and significant effect on employee performance. Number 2 about punishment has a direct negative and significant effect on employee performance. Hypothesis 3, organization culture has a direct positive and significant influence on employee performance. Hypothesis 4, work discipline has a direct positive and significant influence on employee performance. Hypothesis 5, reward have a direct positive and significant effect on work discipline. Hypothesis 6, punishment has a direct negative and significant effect on work discipline. Hypothesis 7, organization culture has a direct positive and significant influence on work discipline. Hypothesis 8, reward have an indirect positive and significant effect on employee performance toward work discipline. Hypothesis 9, punishment has an indirect negative and significant effect on employee performance toward work discipline. And hypothesis 10, organization culture has an indirect, direct positive and significant influence on employee performance toward work discipline. The next, chapter 3, about research methodology. Research method. The research method used in this study is quantitative research. The quantitative research method is a research approach that uses numbers to collect knowledge and interpret data with the aim of testing predetermined hypothesis by Kurnia 2023 and Populix 2023. Time and place of research. The object of this research in the employee of PT Das Hospital Indonesia located at Jalan Raya Teguh Umar, number 25, Telaga Asih, Cikarang Barat, Bekasi, West Java. The overall implementation time of this research is approximately 3 months from January to March 2025. Population and sample. The population in this study is all employed at the Hospital Indonesia, totaling 275 employees, and sample in 164. About measure score. The measures use a Likert scale with a 5-point score. And research design. The instrument used in this study was a questionnaire distributed to sample from a predetermined population. The variable in the study consists of 3 independent variables, 1 independent variable, and 1 mediating variable. The independent variables are reward, punishment, and organization culture. The dependent variable are employee performance and work discipline as mediating variable. The next, about instrument development. First, about employee performance. Conceptual definition from employee performance is a measure and level of employee satisfaction with their work related to the form of work, the result obtained, and feeling about the work process itself. And about operation definition, in this 5 indicator put forward by Matic and Jackson in J. Cornea et al. 2022, namely first quality, number 2 quantity, number 3 accuracy, number 4 presence, and number 5 ability to work. Look at that. There are instrument grade. About quality, number 1 and 2, quantity, number 3 and 4, about accuracy, number 5 and 6, about presence, number 7, 8, and 9, about ability to walk, number 10, 11, and 12. The next, about instrument development of reward. There are two conceptual. First, about conceptual definition. Rewards are a form of appreciation given to increase individual motivation and performance. And second, operational definition with 5 indicators put forward by Kadarisman in Khairunisa Habibi and Pamungkas 2020, namely first wage, number 2 incentive, number 3 allowance, number 4 promotion, and number 5 privilege. Look at that. There are 5 instrument grill about wage in number 13, 14, and 15. About incentive number 16 and 17. About allowance number 18 and 19. About promotion number 20 and 21. About privilege 22, 23, and 24. Next, about punishment. Conceptual punishment is a form of consequence given to discipline employees to comply with the rules and increase responsibility. About operational definition, there are 2 indicators put forward by Marlina et al. In 2021, namely, first, preventive, and number 2, repressive. There are looked at about instrument grill, preventive in numbers 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. About references, number 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Next, about organization culture. Conceptual definition of organization culture is a certain pattern that employees have, including behavior, attitudes, norms, values, and so on. About operation definition with 5 indicators put forward Sri Wandani and Wahyuni 2022, namely first, innovative by considering risk, number 2, paying attention to every problem, number 3, result-oriented, and number 4, oriented to the interest of all employees, and last, aggressive at work. Look at about instrument grill in innovative by considering risk, number 37 and 38, paying attention to every problem, number 39 and 40, results-oriented, number 41, 42, and 43, about oriented to the interest of all employees, number 44 and 45, and the last, aggressive at work, number 46, 47, and 48. The next, about work discipline. Conceptual definition of work discipline is the main key to increase productivity and professionalism in the workplace. About operational definition with 4 indicators put forward, J. Cornea et al. 2022, namely first, punctuality, 2, utilization of facility, number 3, high responsibility, number 4, compliance with company regulation. We can look about instrument grill. punctuality. Number 49 and 50 about utilization of facilities. Number 51, 52, 53 about high responsibility. Number 54, 55, 56, 57 and compliant with company regulation. Number 58, 59 and 60. Next, about data collection technique. There are two. One, questionnaire, and two, documentation. About questionnaire, distributing questionnaire as an instrument in research. About documentation, used by research to obtain data on a company history, organization structure, employee absence, visitor or patient data, facilities, and infrastructure. The next about data analysis technique. In this study, the data were analyzed use SAM PLS 3.2.7. The research analysis technique are follows. One, author model. A, convergence validity. The convergence validity value indicates the validity of the measure indicator. The value of the accommodation factor is recommended to exact 0.7 in a research model that have been widely studied. However, if the research model is a new model or initial research, the value of accommodation factor can be tolerated at 0.5. Discrimination validity is a carding loading factor value which aim to determine whether there is discrimination in the research construct. C, composite reliability. The composite is a way to measure the reliability of an indicator. The composite reliability component is expected to have a minimum value of 0.7. If the value is above 0.8, then the exciting data is considered to have a high level of reliability. D, convergence alpha. The convergence alpha also measure how consistent and direct is it. The minimum expected value for the value is 0.7. But there is another opinion that says that the minimum value for all structure in the study is 0.6. D, average appearance extract or AV. The AV also show the result of the discriminant validity evaluation for each construct as well as endogenous and exogenous variable. The AV value must be less on 0.5. Next, about inner model. R squared. The value, the coefficient of determination on an index construct, the criteria show R square 0.67 as strong, but 0.33 as moderate and 0.19 as weak. B, estimate for path confidence. The path confidence value or the value that increase the magnitude of the relationship of or influence of the last construct of the study. This test is carried out use the exciting bootstrapping procedure. C, about F square. The emphasis is used to determine the change in R square in the endogenous construct. The F square value is small category of 0.02 and large category of 0 and 35. We can look about formula the F square. The next about Q square. Q square is conduct to determine the ability of a prediction use the blending folding method. Q-square testing is only used on index construct that have reflex indicator. As follows, look at that about calculation of T-square formulation. Next, about hypothesis testing. In hypothesis testing, it can be seen from the test statistic value and probability value. For hypothesis testing, namely by use statistical value, then for alpha 5%, that the test statistic value used in 1.96. So the criteria for accepting or rejecting the hypothesis are HA is accepting and HO is rejecting when the test statistic more than 1.96. To reject or accept the hypothesis use probability, HA is accepting if the p-value less than 0.05. Okay, thank you for attention. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.